Hey YouTube fam, it's NowIamNappy and I'm back for another Tip Tuesday. Now this week we're going to be adding MSM into an Ayurvedic hair mask. Now of course y'all know I'm going to be using my Ayurvedic gloss bars, which you can purchase right here. There are 3 different ones, but today I'm going to be using the Amla, Fenugreek, and Neem bar. Now if you guys are interested in a DIY recipe, I suggest you check out this video right here, and these measurements will leave down in the description box as well for you guys. Now, a lot of y'all know that we are doing an MSM hair challenge. So if you haven't watched that video, go check it out. We are starting next Sunday, which is January 24th. So you still got some time to get in your measurements, to get your MSM powder. So don't sleep on that. Go check that out. These next few videos will have a lot of MSM infused in it. So let me know if you guys have any other questions down below, and let's get to mixing, okay? So we're going to begin with our water because we're going to be adding this to the gloss bar. We're going to add about 4 to 5 ounces of rose water. Start with a little bit of amount so that you can add more later. We're going to use this also to dissolve our MSM and vitamin C. So next I'll be adding my MSM. I'll be adding 5 grams of MSM powder. Now remember, these scoops are 1 gram each. Next, we'll be adding the vitamin C. I'm also going to be adding 5 grams of vitamin C as well. And you're going to stir the mixture until the products are completely dissolved. All right, now let's unwrap our gloss bar. Now again, remember this is the Amla, Fenugreek, and Neem gloss bar. So go ahead and get your double boiler set up and ready on the stove and drop that gloss bar right in. Within about 2 to 3 minutes, you should be able to cut the gloss bar in half to start breaking it down, and then slowly add the liquid into your mixture. Over the next 5 to 10 minutes, you'll notice that your gloss bar will continue to melt. Continue stirring and continue adding liquid as you move on. So y'all, I added all the liquid to the mixture, but realize I want to add just a tad bit more water because I want the mixture to be a little bit smoother texture. So I'm going to add in another 2 to 4 ounces. So continue adding water till you get the consistency that you like for application to your hair. Now remember, the fenugreek in here is going to expand a lot, so this is going to give you also a lot of slip. Once you get the desired texture, go ahead and shampoo your hair, and then let's come back on for application. Okay, I have my mixture, so let's go ahead and get started. Y'all, applying products while the mixture is still warm for low porosity hair is going to give you bomb results, okay? Bomb. Y'all, the slip in this feels good. The fenugreek is giving it a nice amount of slip. So yeah, so let's talk a little bit more about MSM powder and obviously these herbal benefits. Y'all, just want to mention, when I apply the Amla Neem Fenugreek mask in particular, it really does work well when your hair is like wet, very wet. So make sure you are hydrating your hair in between if your hair starts to get dry while you're applying the mixture. Now, y'all know we are doing the MSM hair challenge that starts next week. I just also want to give you guys some options for foods that do contain or rich in sulfur. So we'll begin with foods that contain protein, and that's going to be eggs with the highest amount, and then it's going to be red meat, poultry, and then ending with fish. Then if you're looking for plants, I recommend Brussels sprouts, garlic, onions, asparagus, legumes, kale. Those are all rich in sulfur. Additionally, some drinks that are rich in sulfur outside of the fruits that I mentioned in the video. Surprisingly, coffee is rich in it, beer, and of course we know many teas are as well. Now, while we are taking the MSM powder to help extend our hair growth phase and grow some inches, you might also experience some of the anti-inflammatory properties of MSM, helping to relieve such symptoms as arthritis pain, tendinitis, osteoporosis, muscle cramps, headaches, and joint inflammation. And topical treatments on your skin can also help to reduce wrinkles and stretch marks. Y'all, at this point, I always want to mention that my hair needs some water. I tried a new shampoo because y'all know I'm trying to use up old shampoos, and my hair just is feeling kind of dry. So If your hair is dry, don't forget to add some water to your hair to help make this application much easier. All right, and the last bit I wanted to mention about MSM powder, y'all, is there are multiple forms in which you can find MSM powder, like the supplement form that comes in like a pill form or a capsule form. I just want to caution about some of those because they add fillers to them. One of the most pure forms is when it comes into like a flake or kind of like a crystal, like a thicker crystal. The one that I do recommend is Doctor's Best. I've seen the best results from using that one and great reviews with using it. Y'all, my hair feels so nice and coated but moisturized. So I'm gonna leave this on for about an hour, maybe more, because it feels really amazing right now. All right, and then I'll come back on after I rinse it out. Okay, y'all, you already know my hair is soft. Oh my God, very moisturized, light. Anyone who's used this gloss bar can testify how amazing your hair feels after just rinsing it out. It rinses very, very easily as well. Again, this Ayurvedic mask or gloss bars can be infused with your MSM. You can do these treatments bi-weekly. You can also use the spray or the oil with MSM in it to make sure you get that into your regimen externally, or just use the MSM internally. Let me know down below what you guys think of this mask, if you tried the gloss bars as well. If you guys have any other questions, don't forget to leave them down below, and subscribe and share with any of your friends who are interested in joining this challenge. We have a few more days to get everything in. So that's it for this week. I'll see you next time. Bye.